I told you I'd win! Okay, I give up. You always do.
I saw that. What is that on your arm? Is that a tattoo? I didn't know you had a tattoo.
You don't feel anything at all. At first you laugh it off, thinking it's just toughness, the kind of thing a future king should be proud of.
What is that?
By the gods, I didn't think it was real.
I am a prince of Jerusalem, heir to the holiest city on earth, surrounded by enemies pressing in from every border.
You were born for a throne, but something is growing inside your body that no army, no wall, and no inheritance can ever defeat.
And it has already started, quietly, silently, years before a single soul around you even begins to notice anything is wrong.
Does it hurt much?
A little.
Just a little more.
What do you see?
Patches of your skin have gone completely pale, completely dead to any sensation at all. Something is very clearly terribly wrong here.
Leprosy.
In this century, it's a death sentence with no cure and no mercy. A disease that will crack your skin into open, weeping sores. It will curl your fingers inward like claws, collapse your face completely, and eventually swallow your sight into permanent darkness.
Stripped of names, stripped of titles. But you are not most lepers. You are heir to the holiest city on this entire earth.
The kingdom doesn't have the luxury of choosing a healthier king. It needs you, whether your body decides to cooperate or not.
And no one in that room says what they are all quietly thinking. That this crown is the only thing standing between you and exile. The king is dead. Long live the king. Long may he reign, though he be but a boy. The rot spreads. The healers have abandoned me. Some kneel out of loyalty. Most are already calculating exactly how much a dying boy's throne is worth to whoever inherits it next.
Your mother is pushed to the margins of power within weeks, quietly edged out of every room that actually matters now.
The whispers, they're everywhere. Your Majesty, they see a ruler. We see the heart beneath the crown.
The kingdom you inherit is a narrow strip of coastline, squeezed between the open sea and enemies pressing in from every direction.
You claim that, but you're too busy watching your flank. He's right, your truce is as solid as sand. You both speak as if you trust each other.
Somewhere beyond your borders, a general is uniting the entire Muslim world under one single banner, for the first time in generations. His name is Saladin, and everyone inside your court already knows exactly what he wants. He wants Jerusalem back, permanently. You are 16. Saladin crosses your border with 26,000 men, the largest force you've ever faced, marching straight for the holy city.
You can field fewer than 400 knights and a handful of infantry. By any reasonable calculation, the math simply doesn't work.
Your Grace, please, we must retreat! Sire, the walls are our only hope! But the reinforcements might never come.
I said I refuse. I will not. Your hand cannot hold the grip, Lord. Then it will be strapped. I go.
You find Saladin's army camped near a hill they never expect you to reach, certain you're hiding behind walls like a frightened, dying boy. You order the charge anyway. Fewer than 400 knights slam directly into 26,000 men without a single moment of hesitation.
Charge! Again! For the crown! Scatter, scatter! The battle is lost! Abandon everything! Run for your lives! Leave the gear! Just escape!
Keep running! Faster! We must leave this place! He's gone. Saladin has fled. You ride home a legend, Hand. A leper boy who just humiliated the greatest general alive in the entire known world. Tonight, the clock will not tick.
Cheers to the kingdom! Let the feast begin!
The disease accelerates without mercy or pause. My right hand is nearly dead now.
Just to feel something that simply isn't there anymore. Sores split open along your arms beneath bandages covering most of your body.
You can still be carried into a hall, but someone has to lift you onto a horse now, every single time, without exception.
The court watches all of this unfold in real time, and the vultures begin circling openly, no longer even bothering to hide it.
The time has come to make a choice, one I did not ask for.
I know. I can't protect you anymore.
Good.
That crown suits a man of my ambition, not my sister's fool.
He wouldn't dare.
He dares. You stand on the precipice of ruin, plotting with whispers.
No, we stand to save the kingdom from your decay.
Treason.
I demand justice! You betray us all! Stop this madness! We cannot go on like this!
He has something far more dangerous than soldiers. He has time. And you are visibly, undeniably, running out of it.
The caravan is broken! Forward, noble knights! Fight for the goods!
You will answer for this recklessness. Saladin's trust is shattered. Your greed has cost us everything. Now, you hold nothing. Nearly reigniting a war the kingdom cannot possibly survive. You humiliate him publicly, stripping titles he assumed were permanent.
You cannot do this! We demand an audience! This is unacceptable! Hear us, you cowards! Let us be heard! We will not stand for this!
I trust only you. Retrieve the artifact from the Eastern Spire. Do not fail.
Lord, I name you regent. Do you accept this burden? Your grace, I do, with honor and steadfast purpose. The court wants the French knight installed instead. You want the kingdom to still exist in 5 years. Those goals no longer align.
You are 21. Saladin invades again, laying siege to a fortress near the Sea of Galilee, while your regent hesitates to act.
Keep pushing! We're running out of time! Hold the line!
I cannot read these. The reports are urgent. He hasn't moved in months. Enough! The weight is unbearable. Something inside me just snapped.
You will carry me forth! Your Majesty, no! It's suicide! Forward! Now!
The army falls silent. Then erupts. Seen kings ride to war. Never one carried on a stretcher.
Advance toward the pass. Hold the line. Failure is not an option.
Because they remember exactly who led them at 16. Your presence alone rallies the entire force forward toward the waiting siege.
Fall back! The banners of Jerusalem! We withdraw. Prepare to move.
He will not face you again. Not after what happened the last time he underestimated a dying boy sitting on a horse.
This is the last battlefield you will ever see with your own eyes, though you have no idea of that yet, as they carry you back. Your Majesty, the harvest in the southern provinces is poor. The people are without bread.
You will dispatch the Northern Army immediately. No further deliberation is needed.
Every breath is a small negotiation with pain that never resolves.
But your mind keeps working exactly as it always has, cutting straight through court flattery like it means absolutely nothing at all. I name this infant as my heir. Never shall I hand my bleeding kingdom to a man who nearly destroyed it. By decree of the council, you swear your loyalty to the infant heir.
We swear!
Without a flicker of hesitation in their voice. You cannot see their expressions anymore. but you have never actually needed to.
You have always known exactly who is loyal, and who is simply waiting, patiently, for you to finally stop breathing.
Don't worry, little king. Your uncle will protect you. Uncle, please stop calling me that.
You are our king now. I'm just a boy, and soon a lion.
Your entire reign has been built on borrowed time, purchased one postponement at a time with blood and pain you were never supposed to survive long enough to spend. Your body has finally consumed itself completely after 11 years on a throne no one, not even you, expected you to hold for one.
But not today. Today, the pain finally stops killing, and now you are history.